We are going to make a Reese's Mug Cake. So first, we're going to start with the brownie mix, which is we're going to pour in it now. All of it. I'm going to pour all of it. Right?
What are those?
Reese's Pieces. Now, we're going to pour 2 tablespoons of milk and then butter. Now we're going to stir it around. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes.
Okay, so it puffed up a little bit, and we actually had it for 60 seconds in the microwave. So next we're going to put some whipped cream on it, Auntie Debbie. And Malia, what do you have to put on?
Reese's Pieces.
It's like an awesome mug cake. Go ahead, try it, girls.
I only got the whipped
Super
cream.
hot. Be careful, William.
Be careful.
Now what are we eating?
Good thing I only got the whipped cream.
Delicious.